Evaluation of large language models. Metrics for evaluating language models. Perplexity. Perplexity is a widely used metric for evaluating the performance of language models. It measures how well a language model predicts a sample of text by calculating the inverse probability of the test set, normalized by the number of words. Lower perplexity values indicate better performance, as the model is more confident in its predictions. Word error rate, WER. WER is commonly used in automatic speech recognition, ASR, and machine translation tasks. It measures the percentage of words in a recognized transcript that differ from the reference transcript. Lower WER values indicate better accuracy in generating the target sequence. BLEU score, Bilingual Evaluation Understudy. BLEU is a metric often used for evaluating the quality of machine translation outputs. It compares the n-gram overlap between the generated translation and one or more reference translations. Higher BLEU scores indicate better agreement with human-generated translations. Rouge score, recall-oriented understudy for gisting evaluation. Rouge is a set of metrics used for evaluating the quality of text summaries. It measures the overlap between the generated summary and one or more reference summaries based on n-gram co-occurrence and sequence similarity. Higher Rouge scores indicate better summarization performance. Human evaluation. Human evaluation involves assessing the quality of language model outputs through subjective judgments by human annotators. It can provide valuable insights into aspects of language generation, such as fluency, coherence, and relevance, that may not be captured by automated metrics. Benchmark datasets and tasks. Common benchmark datasets. Common benchmark datasets for evaluating large language models, LLMs, include PenTreeBank, a dataset consisting of parsed Wall Street Journal articles for tasks such as language modeling and part-of-speech tagging. Wikitext, a collection of English Wikipedia articles used for language modeling tasks. BLEU, General Language Understanding Evaluation, a benchmark dataset for evaluating natural language understanding models across various tasks, including sentiment analysis, text classification, and question answering. SQUAD, Stanford Question Answering Dataset, a dataset for evaluating question answering systems by providing context paragraphs and associated questions. Evaluation tasks. Language models are evaluated on a variety of tasks, including language modeling, predicting the next word in a sequence given the previous context. Text generation, generating coherent and contextually relevant text based on a given prompt. Machine translation, translating text from one language to another while preserving meaning and fluency. Question answering, providing accurate answers to questions based on a given context. Text classification, assigning predefined labels or categories to text documents based on their content. Challenges in evaluation. Evaluation of language models can be challenging due to the subjective nature of language understanding and generation. Automated metrics may not always align with human judgments, leading to discrepancies in model performance evaluation. It's essential to carefully select evaluation metrics and datasets that are representative of the target domain and task to ensure reliable model assessment.